Good evening, one and all. Last lecture we seen the mobile computing and the comparison of mobile computing and wired network. And this video we seen the what is the actual bandwidth, all the hand, LAN, WAN, TDMA, PAN, all that. What is the bandwidth, all that basic definitions and the comparison of wired and mobile computing we seen in last lecture. Now we moving towards mobile computing and its applications. Mm, All of you know without the mobile we can't proceed a number of applications. Mobile it is the one part of our life. Number of applications we are using in our mobile. It is related to software as well as some apps related to some hardwares. We are connected with different devices. This is the different types of applications. We'll see the stepwise. This is the basically today's this lecture. This is the hierarchy. We see the introduction. What is the mobility already we learn two times, but we see mobile computing device, which computing device will becomes wireless network, some securities, some operations. What is the applications and future aspects. Before moving towards, we am playing one video, and that video will be clear the concept, what is the necessity of mobile and what is the need of mobile. That video will be gives almost video will be clear all the concepts. Well, that video will clear all that means in that video we not necessity to watch VCR, video, televisions, camera, all that things will becomes under this mobile. And this is the actual technology developed by the last previous year ago and this year, current years. This is the comparison will be shown by the these animation pictures also and that videos also. That video will be clear all that things. Next, this is the basic introduction will be given. Already seen mobile computing. It is an moving device. Yes, it is a mobile plus computing. Means moving. using computer, that is a mobile computing. It is one of the umbrella used to describe different technologies to enable people and access networks for any place, anytime, and anywhere. In recent years, some distributed computers has become the normal, especially after the advent of the internet. Technological advances are shaping a new computing environment. It is free from need to work at a specific location, anywhere, anytime. This is the called as an mobile computing. What is mobility? Mobility, it is a device that moves between different geographical locations. It is ability to move or be moved freely or easily. Mobility uses between different networks, use different applications such as palm top. This is some palm tops, laptops, some cell phones, and some modems will be useful for the internet connectivity. This is the one diagrammatic representation. Mobile computing, some reset structure we have to record for the mobile communication, for the internet connectivity, as well as some bandwidth, some frequency spectrum, all that things will becomes under the mobile computing devices. We see the step wise. This is some mobile computing devices. That is the some models will be given. InfoPad model. This is a limited portable processing, like a cordless phones. Laptop computer. Here is the laptop computer. ThinkPad model. Significant portable processing, operates and independently. PDA, personal digital assistant. It handles device combined by computing and telephone as well as internet networking. This is a modem. It will be useful for the laptop, mobile phone, GPS, palm tops. This is the devices comes under the mobile computing device. Last video we seen the wired network and mobile computing. Wireless network technology. This is the wireless network technology. From mobile, we have network from the VSAT satellite. We get the some connections from the satellites. That is we are called as an WAN, wide area network. It connects several LANs also for the limited enterprises, for corporation and any organizations. That is comes under the WAN area. After that WAN, we connected a metropolitan area, that is a MAN network. Here we take a hierarchy of one example of hospitalization. When we connected for the MAN will be a larger network, usually connected in several buildings, some cities and some towns. After that, LAN will be connected the campus area. Packet relay means we connected in a LAN. It is computer network that interconnects computers within a limited area such as residence, school, labs, university, different types of offices, buildings, all that things. Some rooms, emergency rooms, operating room. Here we take an example of hospital. This is the comes under the LAN. And after HAN and PAN, that is the users home area network and public area network, enables computer device for the near person wired such as different Zigbee, Bluetooth, ultrawide. And it is the range in few meters. That is the wireless overlay network from the one device to the using of different network areas. This is different area networks, inside it different parameters also. Mobile IP. Mobile IP means this is the one type of internet engineering task force, that is the IETF, standard communication protocol that is designed to allow mobile device users to move from one network to another. Communication protocol user to move from one network to another. In mobile IP, there was a different types of terminology. Here is the given sockets, TCP/IP, UDP, IP, link layer. Actually, there are basically five layers. That is application layer, transport layer, internet, link, and last one is the physical layer. That physical layer is the hardware layer. Link layer, it is the Ethernet layer. That is the fast Ethernet, gigabit Ethernet. It will be 100 Mbps, 10 Mbps. This is the main internet protocol. This is the Here is the we required internet terminology. It is a mobile node, home network, home agent, home address, foreign network. Here is the TCP and UDP. TCP and UDP means there was a two types of actual internet protocols, TCP and UDP. That is the transmission control protocol, and user datagram protocol. So TCP, that is the connection oriented. Once connection is established, data can sent bidirectional. That is the TCP. And what is UDP? It is a simpler connectionless internet protocol. This is the given basic diagram of mobile IP. This is the bidirectional connections for an agent. What is foreign agent? It is the router in a foreign network to which a mobile node is currently connected. The packets from the home agent are sent to foreign agent, which delivers it to the mobile. This home agent will be sends the packet to the foreign agent. This is the network, the foreign agent as well as home agent. This is some wireless network devices, some watches, cameras, some devices, VCR, televisions, laptops, PDAs, personal computers, that is wireless networks. Some security and privacy. Wi-Fi networks are shared network, makes it easier for some drop in our communications. Some data will be stolen as well as tampered, cryptography related. Means some security also we require. It is also one type of issue, comes under the mobile computers. Web browsing, we get some viruses, some crash the files, encrypted sessions, firewalls, deny all incoming connections. Then we lost the data. After that, all the some viruses will become when we lost the data. And some security and privacy are important for the mobile computing and wired network. Here, each device displays the hash of its public key. The keys will be exchanged by the some different protocols, Hellman protocols. This is a given new protocol. This is the one here for security and privacy purpose. There was a different types of clouds, the different types of privacy purpose, the different types of technology, that is the blockchain technology. I think all of you know. Here is the given one thought: protect yourself and our cyber environment. Some operations and various challenges and some applications. Some limitations, that is the insufficient bandwidth as compared to wired network and mobile network. Some security standards When working mobile, one is dependent on public networks. Then we require careful use of VPNs, power consumptions, transmission interference, potential health hazards. Will we get some damages, some air and some frequency emissions will be gets hazard for the health. Human interface with devices will be gets the keyboards impractical, especially one-handed and alternate methods such as speech will be gets handwriting recognition. Yes, it will be given in details, but we taken basic headings here. Some applications of mobile computing. This is some 4G, 5G mobiles in recent, some tablets, laptops, i3, i5, i7 processors, some mobile phones, iPhone, as well as some PDA, palm top, all that things, small tabs. This is the palm tops, is small type of laptop related works will be going on palm tops. This is the personal digital assistant. This is the notebook PC. This also comes under the palm tops. The applications comes for the mobile computing, that is the emergency services, any problems will be occurs in that case, that all the techniques will be comes, that is the terminology already we seen, mobile node, home network, home agent, all that will be start to fall and will be gets the solutions. That is the important application for the emergency. That is another one, cellular digital packet data, actually mostly used in some software related branches, useful to exhibits some different types of applications for the exhibition purpose. We store the stock information, collation, control, and all that data will be stored in the using of wired and mobile computing. Some credit card verification. All of you know, recently we are using some applications by the mobile. We are purchasing some different materials. It is the verification by the done by the wired and mobile computing. Some legal purposes also, that will be used under the estate agents will sell the online sale purchase, all that things will be estate agents related. Recently, you know, the Ola, Uber, some food related, some different types of parties will be marketed. They will be used that wired network and mobile computing. They are developed different types of apps, that is related taxi, truck, here you take a name. But in food cycle also there are different types. You take the Domino's, McDonald's, same. They are developed different types of apps. It is the one of the good example of mobile and wired networking. It is the electronic mail. We are sending one data from the here one place to other place. That is the email, some messages. We know the any locations when we putting the that location on Google Map. That Google Map will be give your track and road conditions, traffic, all that will be given in the your mobile. Traveling salesman. I think all of you know the Amazon, Flipkart will be there taking the online orders and giving the some online distributions, that will becomes under the traveling salesman. They are having the, some agents. They will be stored the data in apps. Web access, HTTP, hypertext transfer protocol. This is the internet access, web access. By using that HTTP, we are searching some different, browsing some information. This is the some location, you know aware about that locations directly by using Google Map. you find out the locations. That is a Google Earth also. Some internet means we have to play some different types of games. Then we use the some ad-hoc networks. Some you using the mobile, we play the different types of games. Thank you. This is the some different types of application. This is not a all the applications, but without mobile, you know the daily use. There are different types of applications. But major we are using these applications we highlighted here. Thank you so much.